iPhone is the most advanced keyboard of any mobile phone today, and all of this advanced technology makes typing both accurate and easy. iPhone constantly analyzes your keystrokes to suggest words as you type, and it uses an entire dictionary and learns the words you type most often, including proper names and everything in your address book. While the tiny physical keys stay fixed in one place on other mobile handsets, iPhone adapts its keys and layouts for different applications. With iPhone, you get exactly the right keyboard for the task at hand. Another thing you'll notice is that it only appears when you need it, giving you even more room for viewing web pages, emails, maps, or even watching a movie. This is iPhone's standard keyboard, one key for each letter of the alphabet. You can access numbers and common punctuation and symbols by tapping here. When you begin typing on iPhone, it's best to start with just one index finger. At first, be very deliberate with your finger taps. Pay particular attention to the confirmation pop-ups and where your finger touches the screen. If you make a mistake while typing, this is the backspace button. If you want to reposition your cursor to insert a word, you can use the magnifying glass by touching and dragging it to the right position. If you double tap the space bar at the end of a sentence, the keyboard intelligently inserts a period and a space, then automatically sets the uppercase button so you're ready to begin the next sentence. As you type, iPhone tracks and compares what you're typing to its built-in dictionary. It constantly looks for words similar to what you're typing. When it finds a match or a mistake, iPhone makes a suggestion. To decline, just tap the suggested word. You can accept it by tapping the spacebar. To further improve your typing accuracy, iPhone also employs complex mathematics to help correct mistakes by tracking the pattern of letters you type and matching them to the pattern of other common words. Let's say I was typing the word pizza. Instead of typing P-I-Z-Z-A, I'll type O-U-Z-Z-A. iPhone analyzes what I've typed and correctly predicts that I meant to type P instead of O and I instead of U, and offers pizza as a suggestion. I'll accept the suggestion by tapping the spacebar. To make typing even faster, iPhone also suggests common English contractions such as can't, don't, or let's. To lock caps, I just double tap the uppercase button. And to quickly insert a character from another language, I just hold down a related letter, then slide my finger to it. As you become more proficient, you can migrate to using two thumbs. The trick is just type away and trust the intelligence of the keyboard. And in less than a week, you'll likely be typing faster on iPhone than on any other small keyboard. Unlike the fixed physical keyboards on other phones, iPhone's intelligent keyboard design also allows users to switch between any of 21 international layouts with a single touch. After turning on the keyboards you want to use from within settings, you can tap here to quickly switch between keyboard layouts. iPhone even includes a new fast input Japanese kana keyboard and handwriting character recognition for simplified and traditional Chinese. Staying on top of your schedule is a snap with the calendar on iPhone. You can sync your appointments and events with a Mac or PC via iTunes, or if you use the Mobile Me service or Microsoft Exchange, you can wirelessly keep your calendar up to date even when you're out and about. Tap Calendar, and then choose from one of three views: Month, List, or Day. Within the Day view, I can scroll through the events in my calendar to see what's coming up, and then tap on an event to see the details. To add a new calendar event, I just tap here. You've probably noticed that my appointments are different colors. That's because I've organized them on my desktop computer into different calendars, and iPhone keeps them that way. If you wirelessly sync your calendar with Microsoft Exchange, you can receive and accept meeting invitations from your colleagues. A list of all pending invitations can be viewed here, and individual invitations also appear on your calendar like this. Just tap the invitation to see the meeting details. To respond, tap Accept, Maybe, or Decline, and a notification will be sent to the meeting organizer. iPhone displays SMS text messages as an ongoing conversation. Because iPhone maintains a complete history of your dialogue, it's easy to pick up an SMS session exactly where you left off. Tap SMS. Here I see a list of all the SMS sessions currently on my iPhone. A blue dot marks any unread messages. I can view the complete conversation by scrolling through the message history. To reply, tap here and type a response using the keyboard. Then tap Send. You can also tap on a phone number in a text message to instantly call that person. To compose a new SMS text message, tap the Compose button. In the To field, you can type a phone number, or tap the plus button to select someone from your address book. You can even send the message to more than one person. Compose your message, then tap Send. Because iPhone saves a history of your text messages, with one tap, you can send a new message to the same person or group. One of the most useful tools available on the internet today is Maps, and Google Maps on iPhone is amazing. How many times have you been walking or driving around a city in search of a cup of coffee or a particular address? Have you ever wished your phone could help you find exactly what you're looking for? Maps on iPhone delivers. To get started, tap on Maps. To find a map of a particular city or location, just tap in the search field and enter the address, the city name, or even just the zip code. If you want to find your location at any given moment, iPhone 3G knows where you are, even if you don't. Tap the tracking button, and iPhone's built-in GPS technology will zero in on your current location and track you as you move from place to place. And if a GPS signal isn't available, iPhone can determine your position using Wi-Fi and cellular tower information. With any map, you can zoom in on a section by pinching or double tapping. To zoom out, tap once with 2 fingers, and to pan around, simply move your finger across the map. Now that iPhone knows my current location, I can easily search for nearby businesses or points of interest. Let me show you how easy it is to find a restaurant and get directions with iPhone. I can even check the traffic. I'm going to look for pizza. I tap in the search field, type pizza, then search. Looks like I have quite a few options, and you can see each by tapping on the pin. Tap the blue arrow to see all the details for the restaurant, including address, website, and phone number. I can even bookmark it. Getting directions to the restaurant is simple. Tap here and notice my current location is already set. Tap Route and get ready for the trip. The only unknown is traffic, but Maps even has that taken care of. Curl up the map page to reveal other options, including the ability to change the map view, drop a pin, and show the current local traffic conditions. Green lines indicate everything is flowing smoothly, while yellow and red lines mean problems ahead. From here to the restaurant, all you or your co-pilot have to do is step through the directions and enjoy the trip.